98% of the people in the world work hard for money, and for only 2% people, money works for them. Do you want to know the reason why? As per Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the poor remains poor because they either do not want to invest their time or money into financial education. Most of the people find financial planning a very dry subject. But in this episode, I'll show you a simple 4-step mantras to get wealthy. And what are these? First, start early. Second, invest regularly. Third, stay the course. And fourth, get wealthy. So what does financial freedom mean to you? As they say, money can't buy you everything. But if money can buy you happiness, please buy it. To me, the best use of money is to buy time for self, for my near and dear ones, for my family, for my friends. And for me, the financial freedom is to wake up on a Monday morning and then deciding what to do for the whole day. But to achieve financial freedom, you need to list down your goals. As Sir Johnny Walker says, the whole world steps aside for the man who knows where he is going. So if you don't know your goals, you will not know where to start and whether you have surplus money or deficit towards your goals. So the first thing is to list down all your goals.